Hi everyone. In our previous lecture, we have talked about the Deha Prakruti, and today we'll talk about the Manas Prakruti. So, in exam, it can be asked that what is Manas Prakruti and write down the subtypes of all the Manas Prakrutis. But uh, the detailation of those subtypes, it's not necessarily important, but to just make you understand, we'll briefly go through all the subtypes. Okay, but you have to remember the names of subtypes and what is Manas Prakruti. Okay, so let's start. So, like doshic constitution, mental constitution is also important. Mental constitution is determined by the comparative predominance of sattva, raj, and tam qualities. So, doshik constitution, doshik prakriti, we were talking about the predominance of three dosh, which is vat, pitta, and kapha. But here in manas prakriti, we'll talk about the predominance of sattva, raj, and tama, which are the mahaguna or mahadosh or three guna. So Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic are the three main constitution, and they have 7, 6 and 3 subtypes respectively. Matlab Sattvic Prakriti is having 7 subtypes, Rajasic Prakriti is having 6 subtypes, and Tamasic Prakriti is having 3 subtypes. Sattvic constitution. So Sattvic Prakriti denotes to kindness, faith and good memory. Sattvic people has no obsession to materialistic things. They never hurt others. They have very calm way of expressing truth. They are very religious and have great faith in God. They are very sharp-minded and hardworking. They do not work for the desire of phala, or we can say that they have no any focus on karma phala. Now we'll talk about the subtypes of Sattvic Prakriti. So, as we know that there are 7 subtypes of Sattvic Prakriti. In that, first is Brahma Sattva, purity, love for truth, self-controlled, power of discrimination, material and spiritual knowledge, power of exposition, reply and memory, freedom from passion, anger, greed, ego, ignorance, jealousy, rejection, intolerance. So basically, these things are manas dosh. We can consider it in manas dosh. You will learn it in your padartha vignan. So the people who are having sattvic prakriti are away from all this manasa dosha. Favorable disposition equally for all the creatures, to consider all the creatures equally. Then there is a Arsha Sattva, devotion to sacred rituals, study, sacred vows, oblations and celibacy, hospitable disposition, freedom from pride, ego, attachment, hatred, ignorance, greed and anger, intellectual excellence, power of understanding and retention. Then Indra Sattva, lordship and authoritative speech, performance of sacred rituals, bravery, strength and splendor, freedom from mean acts, devotion to virtuous acts and proper satisfaction of desires. Then Yamya Sattva, observance of the property of the actions, initiation of actions in time, violability, readiness for the initiation action, memory and lordship, freedom from attachment, envy, hatred and ignorance. Varuna Sattva, bravery, patience, purity and dislike for impurity, observance of religious rites, fondness for aquatic sports, aversion for mean acts, exhibition of anger and pleasure in proper place. Kuber Sattva, position of honor, luxuries and attendance, constant liking for virtuous acts, wealth and satisfaction of desires, purity, liking for pleasures of recreations. And there is a Gandharva Sattva. Fondness for dancing, singing, music, and praise. Expertness in poetry, stories, historical narrations, and epics. Constant fondness for scants, garlands, and association of women, and passion. So these were all about the Sattvic Prakruti. So you have to remember the names of Sattvic Prakruti. There are 7: Brahma Sattva, Arsha Sattva, Indra Sattva, Yamya Sattva, Varun Sattva, Kauber Sattva, and Gandharva Sattva. Then there is a Rajasic Prakruti. So person who has Rajasic Prakruti face excessive difficulties in their lives. They are very overwhelming and over anxious. They are fully materialistic, have great lust for food and money, and they have great sense of pride, which is ahankar. Subtypes. Now there are 6 subtypes of Rajasic Prakruti. First is Asura Sattva. Bravery, cruelty, envy, lordship, movement in disguise, terrifying appearance and ruthlessness, indulgence in self-praise. Rakshas Sattva. Intolerance, constant anger, violence at weak points, cruelty, gluttonous habit and fondness for non-vegetarian food, excessive sleep and intolerance, envious disposition. Paisaj Sattva. Gluttonous habits, fondness for women, liking for staying with women in lonely place, undone habits, disliking for cleanliness, cowardness and terrifying disposition, resorting to abnormal diet and regimens. I'm just not clarifying all these things because these are the words we are using, we are aware of. There isn't any need to go to the translation one because there isn't any Sanskrit word in that, right? So it can be if you really want to learn or if you really want to know these things, it is easy. Though that is why I'm just reading this out, because anyways it is not that much important. Then there is a Sarpa Sattva. Bravery when in wrathful disposition and cowardness when not in wrathful disposition. Sharp reaction, excessive indolence, walking, talking and eating food and resorting to other regimens with the fearful disposition. Preta Sattva. Excessive desire for food, excessively painful disposition in character and pastimes, enviousness, actions without discrimination, excessive greediness and inaction. And there is a Shakun Sattva. Here is not Satya, that is Sattva. Attachment with passion, excessive food and regimen, unsteadiness and ruthlessness. So somewhat whatever these subtypes are, the characteristic features would be the somewhat same in all the subtypes of a Rajasic or Sattvic or Tamasic in a particular Prakruti. So here you have to remember only the subtypes of Rajasic Prakruti. These are Asur Sattva, Rakshas, Paishach, Sarpa, Pret and Shakun. Then Tamasic Prakruti. People with Tamasic Prakruti are very ignorant and unconscious. They are very lazy and are not able to make any decisions. They cannot differentiate between the real and fake. And the subtypes are Pashan Sattva. Pashan Sattva and the characteristics of Pashan Sattva are forbidding disposition, lack of intelligence, hateful conduct and food eating habits, excessive sexual indulgence and sleep. Matsya Sattva. Lack of intelligence, greediness for food, unsteadiness, constant passionate and wrathful disposition, fondness for the constant movement and desire for water. Vanaspatya Sattva. Indolence, indulgence in food and deficiency of all the intellectual faculties. So here also you have to remember only the name of those subtypes: Pashan Sattva, Matsya Sattva, and Vanaspati Sattva. So in Viva also you can be asked that tell tell us about the type of Manasik Prakriti, or tell us about the subtypes of the Manas Prakriti. So you have to remember all the subtypes which I have told you. And in exam it can be asked in theory, like write down about Manas Prakriti in 5 marks. So you should have to write down what Manas Prakriti is, what Sattvic Prakriti is, what Rajasic Prakriti, and what Tamasic Prakriti. And at the same time you have to write down the names of subtypes. It is okay if you can you do have a time and you do remember the characteristic features of those subtypes of every Prakriti, but it is not necessary that you have to remember all these things, right? So this was it. It was about Manas Prakriti. I'm sure you won't have any query in this, but still if you do have, let me know. Thank you.